Hey guys, it's Tanaya. Welcome to my channel. I am going to be showing you guys a faux loc crochet tutorial, and I'm going to be doing kind of like an invisible part method using rubber bands in the front and then just braiding the rest of my hair back. So I'm going to show you guys how I achieved this look, and I'm using hair from the company Braids Queen. So thank you guys for partnering with me and sending me this hair, and I'm going to show you guys how to get a bomb protective style that'll only take you about 2 hours to do. So let's get right into it. Alright, so I started off just parting off the front section of my hair, as you guys can see, and now I'm parting on the side and then splitting that into two, and I'm using Murray's edge wax just to edge down the perimeter, and I'm taking a rubber band and I am just rubber banding that one section, and then I'm going to do the same thing to the other section, add some edge control, and then I'm going to grab that front section and combine it together and rubber band it together. Be careful with these rubber bands because they can be really tight. You don't want to make it tight at all because then it's not that protective. I am basically going to do that on the entire front section of my hair. So I'm just parting another section again, splitting it in half, and what I'm going to do is put some edge control around the perimeter of that section. Then I'm going to grab my rubber band just like I did before, section that one off with the rubber band, and then do the same thing to the back section. And I am going to grab that front section with the back section again, and it's going to give you this illusion as if you have like two separate parts. It's actually really cool if you can do this around your whole head, but the way these rubber bands were, I was like, no, I'm not doing this around my whole head. These rubber bands are not it. So yeah, I'm basically just going to continue to do that for that entire front section. I decided to do just 2 rows of this. I was going to do a 3rd row, but these rubber bands, you have to be so careful not to make them tight, not to pull on your hair too much. I mean, once I started to get the rhythm of it, it wasn't a problem, but just be really careful, especially on your edges. You do not want to lose your edges at all, okay? That is a big deal. But it does come out really cool, and if you can do this all the way down, or you can actually do this method without the rubber bands and just plait the small sections and just go all the way down, I think this style would look even better. So here is the look of the front. So it really looks like I have a bunch of little sections, which is exactly what I was going for. Now I'm just splitting it down the middle. It looks like I got 2 giant puffs, but basically I am just going to add 6 braids in the back, and I'm going to connect the braids as much as possible. So I'm not going to bore you guys with that part. I'm just doing 6 braids in the back. You can do more than 6 braids if you want. It's totally up to you. So here is a full view of my braiding pattern, and here is the back. I first started off with bobby pins in the back, but then I went and I just sewed down the braids because it's just a better hold. And as you guys can see, this is the crochet part. I'm just crocheting that hair underneath each square, and then also do it in between the sections as well. So I kind of call it like the little bridge part. You want to make sure you crochet that part as well so you don't see your hair at all. So you may have to add 2 more pieces of the faux locs in between the bridge part, just so you have like a seamless blended look. that the front is done, I'm just working my way to doing the back of my hair, and I'm just trying to get as much coverage as possible. I did end up having just enough hair, and it was like 6 packs of 20 faux locks in the bag that they had sent me, so it's about 120 locks, and that did cover my whole head, and it's very, very full. So this is what the faux locks are giving, okay? And I am so happy. This is how long they are. So it's not crazy long, and I just love that the front really gives that illusion that I have individuals. So that's what I'm saying. If you guys do it on the sides of your hair, if you do it in the back, you know, maybe 2 or 3 rows in the back, and you literally just crochet the middle of your hair, it would look so bomb. So I'm just playing around. You know, every time you do your hair, you play around and see like what styles you can do. But this is perfect for like half up, half down, because you really look like you have individuals in the front. It's so freaking crazy. And just to give you guys a close-up, this is what the front of my hair looks like, that illusion part method. It is like so bomb, I'm telling you guys, so bomb. Definitely do like a couple more rows than I did, and girl, you're good to go. Okay guys, I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and if you're looking for a protective style to do during the winter, the summer, whenever, I hope this helped you out, and I'll see you next time. Make sure to comment, like, and subscribe. Bye!